Hi friends, welcome back to our channel I Study for You. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to remind you to hit that like button if you find this video is helpful. Your support really helps the channel to grow. Also, if you think this video can benefit others, please share it with your friends or anyone who might find it useful. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all my latest educational videos. Alright, let's get started with today's lesson. To improve efficiency and consistency, we have utilized AI generated voice for this video. We are committed to providing high quality content and welcome your thoughts on this approach.
Q. A. Define environmental education and its importance. B. Environment conservation and regeneration is needed for us discuss. A. Define environmental education and its importance. Environmental education. Environmental education refers to organized efforts to teach individuals in communities about the natural environment and how to manage their behavior and ecosystems in a sustainable way. It focuses on building a population that is knowledgeable about the environment, aware of the challenges it faces, and motivated to work towards solutions. Importance of environmental education. 1. Awareness and understanding. It helps individuals understand the environment and the impact of human activities on it. Raises awareness about environmental issues like pollution, deforestation, climate change, and biodiversity loss. 2. Behavioral change. Encourages people to adopt sustainable practices in their daily lives. Promotes eco-friendly habits such as recycling, conservation, and responsible consumption. 3. Informed decision-making. Equips people with the knowledge to make informed decisions that positively affect the environment. Helps individuals and communities develop strategies to address environmental challenges. 4. Empowerment. Empowers individuals to take action and participate in environmental conservation efforts. Fosters a sense of responsibility and stewardship towards the environment. 5. Sustainable development. Contributes to achieving sustainable development goals by promoting practices that protect the environment while supporting economic growth and social well-being. Ensures that future generations have access to natural resources in a healthy environment. 6. Community involvement. Encourages community participation in environmental initiatives and conservation projects. Builds strong, environmentally conscious communities that work together to protect their surroundings. 7. Policy support. Informs policymakers and supports the development of effective environmental policies and regulations. Helps in creating a supportive framework for sustainable practices at local, national, and global levels. B. Environment conservation and regeneration is needed for us. Discuss. Environment conservation. Environmental conservation involves the protection, preservation, and careful management of natural resources to prevent their depletion and ensure their sustainable use. Conservation efforts focus on maintaining the health of ecosystems, protecting biodiversity, and mitigating the impacts of human activities on the environment. Importance of environment conservation. 1. Biodiversity protection. Conserving natural habitats ensures the survival of diverse species and maintains ecological balance. Protects endangered species and prevents the loss of genetic diversity. 2. Resource sustainability. Ensures that natural resources like water, soil, and forests are available for future generations. Promotes sustainable use of resources, reducing overexploitation and waste. 3. Climate regulation. Healthy ecosystems play a crucial role in regulating the climate by sequestering carbon and maintaining atmospheric balance. Forests, wetlands, and oceans act as carbon sinks, helping to mitigate climate change. 4. Human health and well-being. A clean and healthy environment is essential for human health, providing clean air, water, and food. Reduces the risk of environmental-related diseases and enhances the quality of life. 5. Economic benefits. Conservation supports sustainable livelihoods, especially for communities dependent on natural resources. Promotes ecotourism and other green industries, contributing to economic growth. Environment regeneration. Environmental regeneration involves restoring degraded ecosystems and landscapes to their natural state, ensuring the recovery of ecological functions and biodiversity. Regeneration efforts focus on rehabilitating damaged areas and promoting natural processes that restore environmental health. Importance of environment regeneration. 1. Ecosystem restoration. Restores the natural structure and function of ecosystems, allowing them to thrive and support biodiversity. Rehabilitates areas affected by deforestation, pollution, and other forms of environmental degradation. 2. Climate resilience. Enhances the resilience of ecosystems to withstand climate change impacts. Restored landscapes can better absorb and store carbon, reducing greenhouse gas concentrations. 3. Water security. Regenerated ecosystems improve water quality and availability by restoring natural hydrological cycles. Forests and wetlands play a crucial role in water filtration and flood control. 4. Soil health. Restores soil fertility and structure, promoting sustainable agriculture and preventing erosion. Healthy soils support diverse plant and animal life, contributing to overall ecosystem health. 5. Community empowerment. Involves local communities in restoration projects, providing them with knowledge, skills, and economic opportunities. Fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility towards the environment. Conclusion. Environmental conservation and regeneration are essential for sustaining the planet's health and ensuring the well-being of all living organisms. By protecting natural resources and restoring degraded ecosystems, we can create a sustainable and resilient environment that supports life and promotes prosperity for present and future generations. Integrating these efforts with education and community involvement is key to achieving lasting positive impacts on the environment.